So guys, this is graphicart.com. You have to come on this website. This is the officially website of graphicart. You can see here the search key. You just click on this and then you have to type your model number of your motherboard and then hit enter. After you can see this all result you can hear, otherwise you go to product and then click to title of Z890. After that click to support. Then you can guys see here there are two operating system, which is Windows 10 and 11. Okay, so if you are using separate, otherwise you can select all. Okay, so I am Windows 11. Okay, so select operating system Windows 11. On Windows 10 also same installations process. Okay, chipset. So guys, lot of driver it is showing here, so I recommend install first one. Okay, click to download. It will start for the downloading. You can see here. When it is completed, single click to open and double click. Then click to yes for administrator rights. Now this is extract driver to install. So finally guys, this is install and then close it.